Today we are making zucchini noodles and shrimp. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, we have everything that we are going to need all laid out. All the ingredients will be in the description box down below. First, we're going to start off by adding some olive oil into our shrimp. Then we're going to add in some minced garlic. You can use as much or as little as you like. After that, I will be sprinkling in some black pepper and Old Bay seasoning. Now, this recipe can be changed. You can use whatever seasoning that you like. This is what I chose to use, so here we go. Then I'm going to add in a little bit more olive oil into my bowl. And I'm going to give it a nice mix. I'm going to get all that goodness all over my shrimp. Look at that. That looks so delicious. Nice and coated. After this, we're going to add this into our hot skillet that has been sitting on the stove, getting nice and hot just for us. We're going to give this a nice mix. Look at that garlic down in that pan. It looks so delicious. After this, we're going to add in some red crushed pepper flakes. Like I said, you don't have to use this. You can use whatever you want, but I like a little kick. So I'm going to add that on in. Next, we're going to take our shrimp because they're ready. And we're going to place them in a bowl and set them off to the side. After this, we're going to add in our zucchini noodles into our same pan. One pan, simple, easy recipe. Simple, easy cleanup. We're going to give this a nice mix because we want all that goodness all over our noodles. Yes, look at that. That looks so delicious. Once our noodles and shrimp is ready, it's time to enjoy this meal. Simple, easy, healthy. Thank you for watching. Be sure to thumbs up the video, leave a comment, share me out. Sharing is caring. And until the next time, be blessed.